Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of cool products. Push like and let's go!
It's your personal assistant on the road, seamlessly managing your smartphone's functions for safety and focus. You can use Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa to read texts or make calls and more. Turn off the lights in my office. What's the weather gonna be like today?
It's currently clear and 72 degrees.
Dial next meeting. Hi, Steve. I'll be in the office in 10 minutes. I'll listen in until then. It can even send me reminders based on my location.
Hi, Nat. Reminder to pick up milk. You are 5 minutes away from the store.
AutoZen automatically senses the car's speed and blocks texting when the vehicle is moving. With the drive score function, my daughter gets feedback about her phone usage and speed so we don't have to deal with tickets and accidents. Small but powerful, AutoZen easily clips into place on any steering wheel or interior panel. Simple and helpful. Life-changing and life-saving. AutoZen makes driving safer and life more convenient. Visit us at autozen.com to make every drive easier, safer, and less distracted.
All links to the products in the description below the video. subscribe on my channel and click on the bell.
Each of us wants to discover the joy of hitting the road and storing things safely, because a messy car is a huge cause of stress. A great solution is Teco Backseat Organizer, easy to install. Long, strong straps. Spacious pockets. 9 useful compartments. Touchscreen tablet holder. Fits tablets up to 10.5 inches. Comes with 4 charging holes, high-quality material. Available in black and gray. Mud and kick protection. A reliable product will make your road more organized and comfortable. Happiness not only for your kids,